all the old school trains from back in the day when Bangkok was first starting the railroad. They also have another section here, and it's on the opposite end. But if you're ever coming to Bangkok, a beautiful, huge city, you definitely want to stop by and check out this train museum, especially if you have a train enthusiast like my son. It's free to enter. It's relatively cool in here, even though it's open air. And it's fun for all ages. Jet, what were your thoughts about the train museum?
I liked it. It's good.
It's a beautiful train museum.
Yeah.